Hey guys, Ryan from Sled Captain. I'd like to just take you through a quick demonstration on how to install this. When you receive this, you'll get 3 of these. 2 of these are the same length. They don't come assembled with the sled. And you get 1 that's a longer length for the center of your ski. So these 2 here go on the sides. You'll get the cords, a pump, and a little repair kit in case you get punctures. So chuck this in, make sure you turn it so it's locked in. I recommend pumping up to about between 10 and 13 psi. It's got a gauge here on the pump, so you can't really screw that up. So when you just attach the hose, make sure you screw this in. You don't want any air going out. And next I'm going to show you how to put this onto the jet ski. You got 1 attachment over here. I recommend doing this one first. Basically just chuck on, let it clip in, then pull this back a bit. Now you got your side ones. Basically it's a little bit harder to put on than the front one. So just give it a little pull and attach like so. And this is also a locking carabiner, so you can actually screw this up. And the same concept as the other side, pull and attach. So that's the way you install your jet ski sled. It's pretty simple. If you've got any questions, just send us an email at admin@soldiercaptain.co. Thank you.